What's up, everyone? Mikey here, and it's definitely a hot one today. I can't believe it. I can't wait to fall. I'm tired of this heat. But today, I want to do an everyday carry video. I know I did one before, but shit changes, and I find the everyday carry videos very, very entertaining. I don't know why. It's that I just do. So some shit changed since the last one. I don't remember. I think I did one a few months ago. But well, I can't really start on my keys. I always have my keys chained up on my wheelchair, with the carabiner and everything. Got my keys, of course, for my workshop. Main key. Thank you, baby, for buying it. I got a tonight little flashlight. Tonight TI3. I love it. I bought my dad one, but he doesn't really use it. I added a little razor blade. This I probably use this more than my everyday carry knife. Yeah, check out the Planet Fitness Harbor Free key thing. I love it. I love having that little card to Harbor Free. I don't gotta talk to them when I get my stuff, when I'm at the register. So that's on my left side, where my joystick is on my right. I changed flashlights. Now I'm rocking the mag light. Not the biggest one, but Maglite 25 LT, the smaller version of the big one, which is, the big one is in my bag, which I will be doing a video on very soon. So, I love this. I can use it as a lantern if I wanted to, and if I ever need it, I can break a window with this. I'm not really worrying about it. It's only $20, so I can be on it, whatever. And this shit is bright, and it goes it goes far. Trust me on that. So $20, you can't beat it. The other one that I had on this wheelchair is on my old wheelchair. So when I charge this one up, I switch wheelchairs, and I will always have a flashlight on me on my wheelchairs. So I just have it a loop with zip ties. So I always have a lighter on me because it's summertime, and I always have candles, citronella candles around. Mosquitoes love me. I don't know what it is, but they love me. So that's in my little pocket to my right side. In my pocket, I'll use my left side pants pockets because it's difficult for my right hand. So what I carry in my front pocket, left pocket, is my business cards for sharpening. Believe it or not, so we good to have a business card on you. People people at Dunkin' Donuts, it's like, oh, you Mikey. And for Mikey, you sharpening. I saw you ad, and I saw you at the farmer's market. Yep, that's me. So it's always good to have cards, and never know. So, oh, I'll take it off. Wallet with the chain. I'm I'm tempted to buy the credit card knife just to have it, but I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. So, those things do not change at all. If they do, it's one in a blue moon. But what does change a lot is my everyday carry knife. Recently, I treated myself a little too good. I wanted another buck knife. I wanted a buck knife so bad. every time I get one, I always give it away to my uncle. But I bought one. I bought the cheap one, as my uncle would say. The cheap one, it's $25 on Amazon. The real version is at 40. I bought the cheap one because I really don't need the best quality. I'm not gonna fucking go in the woods and survive. I'm not gonna do that. So this, I carried this a lot over this week. I love it. Don't really love the sheath. I'm gonna buy the leather one. Really don't like it. I love buck knives, and I don't know why there's so many flies, but this is second to my rotation of nights. My first choice of nights, not because I got it today. It's one of the best knives that I ever owned. And I love it. I cannot get enough of it. Can I do it? And that is Benchmade Mini Gluteine. I fucking love this knife. I told myself I'll never fucking buy $100 knife. What the fuck did I do? I bought $100 knife. I wanted to treat myself, and I always wanted one. I always wanted a Benchmade Gluteine. It didn't matter if it was the mini or the full size. I just wanted one, and I fucking love it. So easy to open with the access lock. And let me tell you, if you have a problem with your hands, do this about fucking 20 times. Your hand will get a workout. I'm still getting used to it, but I love it. I love this knife. This is gonna be my everyday carry for quite a while. I fucking love this knife. This is probably my favorite now. It better be for $100, and this is razor sharp. It came razor sharp, but to make it my own knife, you know, I had to sharpen it. I had to put my own edge on it. So, why do I make videos like this? I feel as if the that everyone that everyone should have a flashlight, a knife, a, a box cutter, whatever. You Everyone should have those items. They come in handy. Um, Most people don't carry knives and flashlights. That's understandable, but I think it's a good idea for people. I gave my girlfriend a flashlight and a knife already, so I feel it's very important for people to do that. You never know when you need something. It's better to have it than not need it, than need it and not have it. So hopefully I said that right. So I'm gonna go get my coffee and Dunkin' Donuts. I'm definitely taking these just in case. Um, so I hope you guys like this video. More videos are coming soon. The bag video is coming. Winter bag is coming. So, like I always say, never give up, never surrender, and give loyalty and respect to everyone, especially your damn motherfucking self. So, thank you for watching.